Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will discuss about few methods through which we can justify the strings. So mainly we are going to discuss three functions or method here. First one is center, second is ljust, and third one is rjust. So let's see one by one. So on line number 10, what we are doing, we are just assigning one string to the variable name. So you can see I have assigned it as Python by Texture Myth as a string. Now on line number 12, we are using the first method which is center. So I'm using inside the print so that we can also see the output on the terminal. So inside print function, what we are doing, we are just we are using the variable name as it is, means these things are case sensitive, so just keep the same name. So my variable name is name. So name dot, and this is the method name center. It should be as it is, as we are mentioning here, otherwise it will give error. And inside that you can pass parameter which is the length, like after center justification what should be the length of the entire string, because right now we are not giving any extra space, but when we are doing centerize, means means when we are doing the center justification, at that time there should be some extra spaces on left and right side. So that's why we are passing the length here, which is 50. So what it will do, it will make the length as 50 for the entire string, and then this text will be center justified. Okay, now we will see the left justification. For left justification we can use the same syntax, just need to replace center with ljust, okay, which stands for left justified. Here also we are supposed to pass the length of the actual string post justification. Similarly, we are using the rjust function or method for making the string right justified. Okay, so let's see the output. I'm going to save this and I will press Ctrl Shift and Tilde from my keyboard to open the terminal. And once my terminal is ready, I will call the program Python, and my program name is session9.py. So I will write session9.py and I'm hitting enter. So here you can see the string is now, there are few spaces, then the Python by texture with, and then there is few more spaces at the end, right hand side. Okay, in same manner this string got justified at the left hand side because we are using left just ljust, and there are some extra spaces at the right side. And here we are doing right justification, so it added the spaces on the left side, and after that we have this actual string on the right side. So this is how it works. Now we will see another thing with the same method. Here you can pass one more parameter which is optional one. So if you want to replace these spaces with any with any particular filler, then you can use it. Like, so I'm passing hash. So hash will would be my filler for this string. Likewise we will add for other also. Here I'm adding at the rate as a filler, and for the third one I'm using we need to pass this as, yeah, so not here, we need to pass this inside the function ljust. Okay, and for the third one also I'm using ampersand symbol. All right, so now we will save it and let's compile and see the outputs. So I'm writing Python session9.py. So now you can see the spaces has got replaced with the filler value. So this is the advantage of using filler. Every spaces is got replaced with filler, but justification is performed in the same way. So this is how we can utilize ljust, rjust and center method or function in Python. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.